Lovely. Let it get warm. So today, lunch is going to be a Mexican Posole soup. So this is one for the vegetarian friends and vegan friends. I got this recipe from a book called Vedge, which is the same name as the restaurant in Philadelphia owned by Rich Landau and Kate Jacoby. Really great recipe. You can make it non-vegetarian by adding chicken if you like. I do that sometimes, but otherwise it's pretty great. Okay, here's your misery en place for this particular dish. The main ingredients are hominy and chayote. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing chayote correctly, but we'll get that in a second. Anyway, hominy's pretty cool. It's a dried corn that has the hull and the germ removed, but you can get it canned as well, which is it's already, like soft and ready to go. As far as chayote goes, it's a pretty cool squash. It's kind of like almost pear-shaped and quite a bit firmer than zucchini will be. But with the COVID-19 pandemic and everything and being quarantined, it's not available, but you can substitute zucchini, which was what I'm doing here today. We've got basically an onion, salt, red peppers. I got red pepper flakes. There's a couple of minced garlic there, cumin, a poblano. Now, I didn't have fresh poblano, so I had to use frozen, but that's what's available. That's what I'm gonna do. Also gonna add a tomato, probably only need one of those out of that can, and 6 cups of vegetable stock. And then finally, it's also going to have this Latin spice. Latin spice is pretty cool. It's a blend of a whole bunch of different things that includes paprika, ancho chilies, cumin, garlic powder, granulated onions, black pepper, oregano, and thyme. And it's really great on other things as well, like chicken, which I'll often add to this when I don't want the vegetarian version. If you're using canned hominy, make sure you rinse it because it's basically sludge from being in the can. All right, just start cooking the veg. Pretty easy, nothing like brain surgery here. I'll hold off on the zucchini because I like them firm, so we'll do that last. Let the rest of the stuff get a little bit of a head start. And let's wait on the spices as well. You're doing great. If you can make fresh vegetable stock, you should definitely use it, and it's going to be the best way to go. But if you can't, it's better than bouillon stuff. It's pretty good. It's paste. Use a teaspoon per cup. I'm going to need 6 cups of stock, so I've got 3 tablespoons, which is 2 tablespoons, which is 6 teaspoons in here. Just mix it up, and there's your stock. All right, once you get those zucchinis starting to cook, we're going to finish off in the stock. So we're going to add that now, 6 cups. I'm going to add a couple of diced plum tomatoes. We're going to add a bit of tomato paste, thank you very much. And you can, this comes in many different ways. We like the tube kind these days. We're going to add honey. Put it this way so you can see it. Okay, simple, simple, simple. At this point, we're just going to let this come to a simmer, bring to a boil, come to a simmer not for too long. Again, I like my veggies a bit al dente, so 5 minutes or so. Then we can portion it off. You can freeze it. We do that all the time. Reheat. It's an awesome soup. What are you doing, Kev? Well, I'm making frou-frou squirrely radish ringy thingies with this toy that I don't even know how I got it. I think somebody gave it to me, but who knows. Anyway, stop.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it?
Yeah.
All right.
You want to start the story again?
No, you don't have to. Well, whatever.
Just go, yeah.
What am I doing?
Action.
All right, serving. So we're gonna basically just take a couple of good ladlefuls of veg out of here. Maybe a little bit of the soup stock as well, of course. And then whatever you want for garnishes. Some red cabbage to add some texture, crunch. So you're gonna do that. diced avocado in here. There you go. And then how about a couple of these funky radish curls. Beautiful and really freaking tasty. So make it, enjoy it. Great textures, great flavor, spicy. So spicy.
So tell me, how's the soup?
The soup's pretty great. Spicy, lots of texture. The hominy, there's the sweetness, the zucchini. Delicious.